Antibiotic resistance is a growing concern in the poultry industry. Let's explore the risks and solutions. The overuse of antibiotics in poultry farming has led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, threatening human health and food safety. If left unchecked, antibiotic resistance could lead to a post-antibiotic world where common infections become deadly. The consequences would be catastrophic. The poultry industry is shifting towards antibiotic-free production methods, prioritizing animal health and welfare, and reducing the risk of antibiotic resistance. Innovative solutions like probiotics, prebiotics, and essential oils are being used to promote gut health and reduce the need for antibiotics in poultry farming. By choosing antibiotic-free poultry products and supporting sustainable farming practices, we can all play a role in reducing antibiotic resistance and creating a healthier food system. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts.